Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme Narzo N61 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Press the volume up and power button together. Okay, now scroll down to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now guys, listen it really carefully. First press the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now press the volume down key, and now release the power key and keep pressing the volume down key. And here you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. You can see now you are in Android recovery mode. You can see here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. And guys, this cannot be undone. All stored data on your device will be deleted after the hard reset. So here simply go to factory data reset. You can see factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, if it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme Narzo N61 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.